Welcome. We're Kevin and Jeannine, a Canadian couple who have escaped the rat race and are continuing our dream of slow travel around the world. Subscribe and follow along this season as we cruise Southeast Asia aboard a McConaughey 55 catamaran.
She lives. Good old trickle charger. We're having the traditional lobster feast. When we come to Charlotte, we have to have some lobster. These guys are, how big are they? Like 2-pounders?
Oh yes.
They gotta be at least 2-pounders. Got the garlic butter ready.
Salt for the lobster.
Yep. I'm gonna put some salt in the water in the pot.
Okay.
And then in they go. Very nice. How many engineers does it take to build a shed?
What are you talking about that?
Is this a shed?
Yeah, ready for the walls now.
What kind of beans are those?
Scarlet runners.
Scarlet runners. They're really red, yeah. So the corn's from the farm, potatoes are from the farm, the carrots are from this garden here. What do we got? Just, oh, and the fish is from the bay.
Just down the road.
Just down the road. It's an East Coast meal. I'll find it. That's it, she's done. For today's adventure, we're going canoeing and paddling with the nephews.
We had a volunteer day with the bike club the other day. Paddles, we're all set. We're in the water, team.
Uncle Kevin found a snake.
Oh, it's a long one.
There it goes. Behind the tree. Gonna go in the tunnel. Kevin back there. Testing
I'll stop.
Miles's dead hang.
So when we, as soon as you're too tired.
Bah.
That's fine. I was on the movie.
So we might move this thing on our own. We're moving the shed.
October 6th, 2023. We just need a little snow. Make it glide. Giddy up, horsies. Down the hill. Woohoo! It's sliding down. Be careful. Watch the tree. You have to bring it to this foundation here. I think you're far enough as far as hauling by yourselves there.
There it goes.
Go to the right way. About.
Yeah, keep going.
How do you think it's for?
We can lift it after. It's all right. Look at that. Good job, gentlemen.
On high ground.
What are we doing today, Mom?
Today, we have some top Indonesia batik material. Now, here in Canada, you would pay a lot for this, but she only paid $10.
Roughly.
So, we are attempting to make a beautiful summer dress. And straps that go. We're gonna wrap around this dress.
Mm-hmm. It's us. Thanksgiving walk. All right. So we're leaving today, and we're on the train. So folks, this is us. It's bumpy this morning.
Having arrived in Ontario, we link up with my brother and then take a road trip to visit my sister and her family.
Flossy McFlosser.
Flossy floss.
It's a little bit chilly and raining, but we're gonna go check out Pumpkin Fest. Give me a wave.
There's still a lot to do during our short visit to Ontario. Getting dressed up for Quentin's wedding to Diana. It was also nice to revisit the Army Officers' Mess, which was the wedding venue. Our friends Ian and Isabel hosted us for the weekend. Back in Kingston, we did more projects in the yard. And I spent some time on some theory work for a Yachtmaster course. But it wasn't all work. We also did fun activities, like a corn maze.
We're in a corn maze today. Kevin's family. Whoa.
It's totally stopped at number 8 first.
Why?
Do that now, because
Why?
we're close to it. Because the exit is like, we'd have to come back here to get to it.
Oh. Okay, going to number 8. What do dragons famously love?
That's the question. Can you figure it out? Is it gold? The castle.
No secrets.
And we played bingo, which is serious business to the uninitiated, like us.
G56. I-24.
How's the bingo, Kevin?
It's fast.
4.
This is very fast. Starting our voyage back to Malaysia.
Dropping the water bottle.
We're back. There she is. This is our new Vulcan anchor.
Today we're heading to Thailand. Oh, I shouted. I probably don't need to shout.
No, probably not.